whoa, what a day. Indeed, God is my anchor, He's my refuge, He's my strength. I walked in here, saw a lot of people. I am very rich because I'm surrounded by people. I give God all the glory. I take nothing for granted. I thank everyone that has showed up for me and showed out. I pray that when you call one person, thousands will beckon to your call. I thank God for my husband. I thank God for my mom, my wonderful children. Thank you so much for loving me the way you do. I mean, I'm just so elated. I'm overwhelmed. I'm just so grateful to God that this little girl, a small girl with a big God, is now 50 years old. Come on, world. We're about to turn up all the way up. 51, 52, 60, 67, 70, 80, 90. We're going to be rocking. It's your girl, MC personality. I ain't changed. But today, I'm the birthday girl. I'm not the celebrant, but I'm the real celebrant.
Kí lorúkọ fóònù DJI. DJI. You lose your balance. Tó wà lórí Amazon. They're like, no, I want.
my glory and the lifter of my head.